Guys, so I am gonna do a tutorial on how to put on falsies. So the falsies I'm wearing right now are the Aurora Lash, and these are on my website, available right now. If you are a customer in Canada, you get free shipping after $40, so please check us out. And a lot of people haven't put false lashes on before, and that's totally okay. I'm here to help you. First step in choosing your lashes, first of all, is knowing your eye shape. So for me, my eye shape is very large and very round. So I know that my eye can handle really dramatic lashes and also not look too crazy. So for example, if I had hooded eyes or smaller eyes, I would opt out for shorter lashes. But because my eyes are so big, I can use these long dramatic lashes, and I love these so much. So right now also, the great thing about lashes is you don't need eyeliner or anything. I'm just wearing right now the lashes. I am wearing foundation, I'm wearing eyebrow pomade, but I'm not wearing any eyeliner, not any eye makeup. Just the lashes alone look great. So yeah, so a lot of you guys ask me, what is the best glue to use? I'm going to insert some pictures in here to show you which glues I love, but this is one of my favorites. The Ardell Lash Grip. So this at Walmart is actually $4 or $4.99, but my favorite lash glue ever is the Strip Lash Glue by Duo. You can find that at Shoppers for $8. It's really, really good. It lasts so long, but this is my second favorite. So let's start. So as you can see, lashes make a huge difference to just how your eye looks in general. I love lashes because they open your eye and they make your eyes just pop, right? So the first step is to add the glue. When you purchase lashes, it's going to come in like this, right? And how I'm going to take it off is I'm going to slowly take it off from the end with my finger and just rip it off like so. So now you have this. You are going to apply glue to the band of the lash. I repeat, you are going to apply the glue to the band of the lash, and what's important is that you don't apply too much. That is one mistake that a lot of people make. So what I want you to do is grab the glue. Oh, right there, I put too much. You see how it's spilling out? So I am not going to squeeze it all on the lash. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply apply the thinnest amount of glue on here. So it should look like this. As you can see, it's very thin. From the front, you can tell there's only a very thin layer of glue. So now that you have the glue on, I want you to let it dry a bit. What I like to do is I like to have a mirror on the side. So I have this little compact mirror that I just bought at Dollarama. You guys can use a little Sephora mirror if you need to, if you're on the go, but I prefer this. Sometimes even when I'm in the car, I can do it just with the small mirror, but that's when I'm really rushing. So now that the glue is a little bit tacky, I'm going to just simply apply it on my lash line. So I'm using the camera right now, but I'm just going to use this to apply it further. What I'm going to do to secure it is make sure that it is on my lash. So I'm pressing down my real lashes with these falsies, with the Aurora Lash from altezabeauty.com, and just making sure there's no glue around. And as you can see, it is on. So simple and so quick. As a beginner, take as much time as you want, so don't feel like you're doing something wrong if it takes you 5 minutes. Don't even worry. Even 10 minutes, don't even worry about that. Make sure the #1 rule is to have the proper amount of glue and make sure that it's tacky, so when you put it on, it automatically sticks. So as you can see, this is the final product. The Alteza Beauty Aurora Lash.